Welcome back and a good Sunday morning, everyone. You got nothing to worry about if you're headed out the door this morning. Maybe go for that morning run, head to the gym, the bakery, whatever. It's going to be great. But you know what? All good things must come to an end because we are watching rain chances both Tuesday and Wednesday. I think the best chance for the widespread heavy rain and storminess will come late Tuesday and into early Wednesday. I think the second half of Wednesday is actually dry and cold. And, you know, that rainfall Tuesday and Wednesday could certainly add up. The Weather Prediction Center saying, yeah, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall could fall across the tri-state in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. The rest of the week looks nice and quiet, so you're definitely going to have that umbrella on standby. Now, as we go through the rest of your Sunday, nothing to really worry about. We'll start out with sunshine. We've got a weak warm front that's crossing the area. It's going to sort of fizzle out as it does so, but as it's crossing, it could lead to an uptick in cloud cover for a couple of hours late this morning into the early afternoon. But for the most part, we should see more sunshine than clouds throughout the day today and on Monday as well, before the weather starts to go downhill as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, for our high temperatures today, yeah, into the 60s, which is above average. And you look at the numbers here across the tri-state. Some locations you get west of Kentucky Lake here, upper 60s and flirting with 70s. And all of these numbers, yeah, notice all the red here. We're 10 to perhaps 20 degrees above normal. So we were below normal yesterday. Now we're well above normal for today, and we'll be above normal for tonight, with temperatures only falling into the lower 50s for our lows. Then our attention turns to our next powerful storm system here for Tuesday and into Wednesday. Low pressure will move well to our north, but that cold front, that trailing cold front, will lead to the development of some widespread rainfall and showers and thunderstorms. There could be some strong to severe storms with that front as well, and maybe even a little bit of wet snow on the backside of that front Wednesday morning. Storm Prediction Center saying an isolated severe storm is possible on Tuesday. Greater threat as you move into Illinois. We'll keep an eye on this, and you're going to want to check back with us for updates. But besides Tuesday and Wednesday, the rest of the extended period looks great. Today and tomorrow are perfect. Yeah, it cools down Thursday behind that front, but we warm right back up into the 60s for next weekend.